I know y'all see this sleigh. Do you see it? Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Aisha and we are back for another video. If you are new here, welcome. Go ahead and join the family. Hit the subscribe button down below. If you're not new here, welcome back. How you doing? Hope everything is good. Thanks for watching this video. In this video, I know y'all see this sleigh. Do you see it? I know you see it. Period. In this video, we're doing a mini twist tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look. I did go ahead and add a few curl pieces as well to this look. I love this, like seriously love it. But if you really want to know how I did it, okay, keep watching. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I finished the back, so I am now on the top of my head. I love the look, it looks really nice, and I love the length. So here I'm just sectioning off the next part, just making it super clean. I used edge control to clean up the part like I always do. If you guys have watched my previous videos, you know about the girl's edge control, okay? So this is the hair that I'm using. I cut it a little less than half because I was going for the short look, and as you go up to the top, I did want it to have layers, and I am using human hair curls. I will link everything down below. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start braiding. So what I did is I started braiding with my hair just one time. As you can see, I just went one time. Then I used the twist hair to feed in. So I added one piece, braided it down a little bit, and then I'm going to add a second piece and braid that down a little further. But as I'm adding the second piece, I'm gonna add the curl piece as well to the braid, but I'm gonna pull the curl out so that I'm not braiding it with the braid. But as you can see, I put the curl over to the side. So then I'm gonna add the second piece of hair for the twist and then just go ahead and braid down a few more times. So then as I braid down a few more times, I'm just gonna keep going until I want the braid to stop. And then when I'm ready for the braid to stop, I'm going to split the middle piece in two. And then I'm going to cross it over and add it to my two outer pieces. And then I'm going to twist. So as you can see, I'm twisting each individual piece and then twisting it together, so that way it will hold and lock there where I went from a braid to a twist. And then I just grab some more edge control, and I am using this Lotta Body mousse. This is going to help for like a smooth finish. So this is what it looks like, and that is the curl piece that I attached. I just cut off the fuzzy end at the bottom of the twist just to clean it up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and continue twisting the rest of my hair. as you can see, this is the final look. It's really, really cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you loved this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up down below, leave a comment. Oh yeah, and if you're new, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're not new and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Join the family. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't seen my other videos, I just posted my Jamaica vlog video. Make sure you go check that out. It was a great time with family. I hope you guys again enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.